Imagine your company just got hacked, but the attackers found nothing. That's zero trust. Traditional security struggles. Perimeter defenses are failing against evolving threats. Zero trust. A revolutionary framework built on never trust, always verify. Old security. Castle and moat. Trusting everything inside the network. Modern threats bypass perimeters, originating from within or outside. Zero trust, like a modern airport. Every access request is verified, regardless of origin. Cloud, remote work, and hybrid IT make perimeter security obsolete. Unmanaged devices expand the attack surface beyond the firewall. ZTA replaces blind trust with context-aware verification, segmenting access. Core principles of zero trust security architecture. Never trust, always verify. Validate every access attempt. Least privilege access. Minimum access for tasks. Microsegmentation. Divide networks into isolated segments. Assume breach. Operate as if a breach is inevitable. Mitigate threats. Continuous monitoring. Analyze user behavior, data movements, and network changes. Phishing attack. Credentials compromised. Attackers move freely without zero trust. With zero trust, access is limited, preventing lateral movement, protecting assets. Implementing zero trust, a structured process. Let's look at the key steps. Assess your environment. Gain visibility of users, devices, applications, and data access. Define your protect surface. Identify critical data, assets, and services. Build microperimeters around each protect surface using firewalls and gateways. Implement strong identity and access management, MFA, SSO, and RBAC. Apply least privilege. Users only access what they need. Enable continuous monitoring and analytics using a SIEM system. Enforce policy via security gateways, using reverse proxies and microsegmentation firewalls. Secure data in transit and at rest with robust encryption. Conduct regular reviews and red team testing for continuous ZTA evolution. Build a zero trust culture. Train staff to recognize phishing and social engineering. Common misconceptions about zero trust. Zero trust isn't no trust. It builds trust through continuous verification.
It enhances perimeter defenses, focusing on internal threats.
Zero trust is a framework, not a single product. Implement in phases, prioritizing critical assets to manage costs and complexity. ZTA requires continuous monitoring and adaptation to remain effective. The future of zero trust. Key trends emerging. Remote browser isolation minimizes the attack surface. AI and machine learning analyze network patterns and user behavior. Enhanced IAM utilizes advanced authentication methods. Cloud security posture management is crucial for cloud environments. Integration with 5G, IoT, and edge computing secures new vulnerabilities. Blockchain provides secure authentication, decentralizing trust. Continuous adaptive risk and trust assessment dynamically assesses risks. Benefits of zero trust architecture are clear and compelling. Enhanced security reduces the attack surface, prevents unauthorized access. Protection against data breaches, minimizing risk. Improved visibility and monitoring, comprehensive insight. Reduced complexity and cost by consolidating security tools. Supports digital transformation, secure cloud, remote work, and IoT. Improved user productivity, direct-to-app connectivity. Meets compliance requirements like GDPR and HIPAA. Zero Trust is a comprehensive and evolving approach to cybersecurity. It addresses modern IT challenges by eliminating implicit trust and verifying every access request. Embrace Zero Trust to secure your digital future. Thank you for watching.